Ready to embark on a exciting renovation journey? Dreaming of a stunning home transformation? Before you start, here are some strategies that can help you shape your dream home. Normally, homeowner, they will just go straight to find interior designer when they have a home. But actually, the first thing that they should do is to find inspector to inspect their home.
Actually, that kind of makes sense. I mean, who would want to pay extra money, right?
It is the best opportunity that you can assess your home condition, pick out defect at the early stage of your home, because nobody want to discover any defects once you move in.
Actually, that's quite true lah. You know, after spending so much on renovation, then you move in, then suddenly you see got defects. Wow, very sian one.
Never forget to plan your renovation properly, because taking your time to ensure everything will make sure things will go smoothly.
Best lah. I mean, best is try not to wait until you get your keys, then only you start do your planning, right? Later you have to rush here and there.
Yeah lah, but make sure don't take too long lah. Don't ever rush into making a decision, especially if you are going to stay in the home for long.
But remember, now inflation, the renovation cost is increasing.
Okay, if you can, set aside some money, for emergency fund, because there might be some hidden costs.
Hidden costs are like what kind of hidden costs?
Okay, hidden costs can be like electrical and plumbing costs, lighting or bathroom feature.
I believe in everyone's mind, this thing has always been like part of the contract.
Yes, but you must also understand there might be scenario that you want to add in extra thing. Just like for example, electrical socket. After renovation, you just feel like, actually my electrical socket not enough, I need more in my home.
Check properly with your ID about all the costs, everything before you do your renovation.
Yeah, so definitely we always advise a homeowner to communicate properly with interior designer, because sometimes renovation costs may incur because not communicating properly. However, for homeowner, if you want more option in finding interior design firm, you can actually visit renopedia.sg, because on renopedia.sg there are 200 plus interior design firm and 50 plus product merchants. So once you select an interior design firm on Renopedia, you have the chance to take part in our $50,000 contest, and you have a chance to win out to $50,000. I hope today's tips will help you all. If you like the tips, you can like this video or comment. Okay, I see you at the next podcast.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.